How do I get my business site higher in Google? Part 7. Hey everybody, I'm Dr. Ty with Portbell SEO. Hey, go to portbell.com and under Success Tips, click Join the Club, and you will be the first people that will learn about all the new videos, podcasts, articles that we do. I'm going over the article 29 Tips on SEO when Building a Website. If you're interested in reading it, the link will be in the notes or caption description, depending upon how you're watching it. If you're on the podcast, go to, again, portbell.com, and under Success Tips, that's our blog, and you'll be able to find a link to the entire article from there as well. Number 12. Today I'm starting with number 12. There we go. Use a dash instead of the underscore or a space in your page names, which are your URLs. Yeah, this is kind of techie nerdy, sorry, but it is important. Always use a dash between words in your page names. For instance, instead of SEO_company or SEO-company with just all together, use SEO-company. Using a dash makes it easy for search engines to separate the words. Using an underscore makes it look like all the words are running together. And never use a space. The internet still sometimes interprets a space as %20. So SEO space company could be seen on the internet as SEO %20 company, which means nothing to the search engines or to people. Number 15. The meta tag description is marketing gold. The meta description is the line of text, and of course I didn't turn off my notifications. The meta description is the line of text you see that describes a web page when you see search results. The desired length of a meta description used to be 150 characters, but now you can go to 240, and it's good to do more than less. Use the meta description to continue describing your web page from where you left off on your title tag. If you're on the podcast, go to the Success Tips under portbell.com. And look at the article because there's an image there that shows that in a lot more detail. Please, and again, join the e-club. If you like these videos or podcasts, please hit like, share them with your friends. I'm Dr. Ty with Portbell SEO. Anytime you need to, go to portbell.com, contact us. I'd be happy to talk to you more. And I haven't mentioned this yet. Check out my book, Timeless SEO Secrets. I just updated it for 2020. And so it's got new 2020 information in it. Have a great day.